Forest Road 315 is a lot of fun. At least this little part. It's nice that they keep with the Michelin Enduro mediums, even on this bike. Because they are a pretty grippy tire. They actually do work really well. So it would give a new rider a lot of confidence because they grip. Oop, forgot I don't have a bark buster. I'm used to just kind of whacking the sticks that are sticking out. Well, that was my knuckles. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the suspension gets you over stuff. Seems like it has such a high top gear. Like, I don't know, maybe for the interstate, but I don't know if this thing could really use the very top gear. I don't know. We'll have to test out the top speed, which will be scary because I'll have to get on the interstate. For an exit. Oh my God, I'm gonna die if I do that. You can't see, but I do have a smile on my face because it's still fun. Just riding in general is fun. And if this gets you out here to explore these roads, so be it. I mean, yeah, you might not want to hit single track that steep if you're a new rider or don't have any clutch control, and yeah. But if you're out here just putzing on these, yeah, you can go out here and enjoy. And you're gonna have good fuel economy. And I'm probably gonna repeat that 1,000 times about fuel economy. Because small engine. I mean, the 500, even the 390, man, they just drink the fuel. A lot has to do with the CC size, but they have them so rich too, the fuel injection. Ow! See, I'm not you. I always hit those little things on my bikes. Ow, that actually hurt. Whack! Okay, avoid until I get the bark busters. Now that's another thing they could have probably provided on this bike, although it doesn't look like much room on the bars. Maybe they could have just molded some type of weird plastic thing just to have some type of deflection. Yeah, you know. It would just be nice, even if they were just the cheesy and were just gonna help protect you from the sticks. You know, it's not gonna give protection to the levers or anything, but it would just help to a degree, unless you're hitting a tree, which is scary when you have full-on good guards like highway dirt bike guards. I mean, you'll get thrown. It just pushes. That's how I went down that in that one video in Penrose. I didn't even notice. I clipped the tree and it sent me off to the left, and whoo, down I went. Yeah, Forest Road 315 is awesome also. It's one of my favorite. They're doing stuff. today. I'll turn around. 315 just cuts off part of Rampart Range Road. It goes from Mount Herman Road to Rampart Range Road. Further, I guess that would be south towards Woodland Park. And yeah, I always take this just because it takes a little longer, but it's kind of a funner road. When you come across people on this road, they tend to be going a lot slower. So even though it might take a little bit longer, I don't know, it depends at the pace you're going on a motorcycle. It might take about the same to get from the direction I'm going now towards Mount Herman Road from Rampart Range Road. But 315, I like it. It's a nice little road. And if you do see a car coming this way, because it's pretty much graded like this over here, but then you get to the Mount Herman part and it's, yeah, good luck getting a car out right up that. I wonder how many people get there and have to back up and turn around. I took my wife's Ford Edge one time, all-wheel drive, this way. It did it, but definitely not made for it to get the one section. It's a little underpowered. It's a 125 on high elevation, but for what it's probably intended for, what they were thinking this would be for, newer riders that are kind of doing the maybe commute thing, doing the around town thing, more of a dual sport, you know, bike, and doing more roads like this, it's fine. Are you gonna put a luggage rack on and haul stuff places? Well, no, probably not. I'm gonna point this out again, but it's something that probably will be pointed out a lot. So I don't know. I don't think they save much money by doing this. But the clutch and the front brake not being adjustable and sticking so far out. I guess you could say I have smaller hands, more like a woman. Yes, I don't have big hands. But, you know, it's a long reach to get to those levers for me. Luckily, I've been riding long enough, and I have pretty strong fingers, that I can get to them and pull them in, and it's not a big deal, and I don't panic. But if you're a new rider, you're going to be a little, that might panic you. You're like, oh, I can't reach the levers good. But yeah, so far, it's a fun little bike. Priced just right for people. And you can keep the speed up. And the suspension works just fine. So, don't think if you get one of these that somehow you're not going to have fun. If you're one of those people that are hard to please, then maybe. I think it's a load of fun.